Are you struggling with a leaking package or a bad seal? I'm Ryan Cabral, and today I'm going to teach you 5 things that might be causing your package to be bad sealed and to be leaking. Okay, so first reason, your sealing temperature is not proper. If your machine is not sealing properly, it's probably because the heat element is just not warm enough. You can fix that really quickly by just adjusting the temperature in the PLC. Second reason why, sealing time. Your machine is programmed to seal your package for a certain time. You might want to increase it or decrease it depending on the problem that you're having with leaking and bad sealing. Third, the sealing pressure. Your sealing system is controlled and actuated by a pneumatic system of valves that, when contaminated, can drop the pressure of your sealing system considerably and not allow for proper sealing. Fourth, the need for a refrigerated sealing system. A lot of times when you're working with cosmetics or cleaning supplies or any chemicals that might react badly with your packaging material, you might want to consider a cold or refrigerated sealing system. That basically means that right after you have the hot or warm seal, you have another stage with a cold seal to make sure that there's no cracks and no disruptions with the sealing area of your package. Fifth and last point, the packaging material you're using is not appropriate to work with your product. Like I said before, sometimes the chemicals inside the package react badly with the material of your package. You might want to consider changing the material of your packaging. You can talk to your supplier for help with that. Those were the 5 reasons why your package might not be sealing properly. Are you struggling with this problem? Reach out to us here in the comments and let us know.